Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can find our latest information about our products, our installation tips, and other news. I'm Helen Walters, Customer Service Representative here at Osborne. Today, we want to share with you two stunning examples of our island legs that are available in our collection, the left spiral leg and the right spiral leg. They are traditional profiles that really stand out due to their handcrafted detail. They feature a narrow rope-like spiral turning in the center of each of the legs. This creates a unique dimension and texture that will elevate any space. These legs stand at 35.5 inches in height, and they are 3.5 inches square, but we offer them also at a 34.5 inch height as well. The only difference between them is the direction of the spiral, which allows them to be used separately or as a matching pair. Both of them are easily customizable as they are available in several unfinished wood types, including paint grade and stain grade options. Thank you so much for joining me here at Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find the spiral island legs, parts 1784 and 1785 on our website at www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.